All right, welcome to our Skincare 101 series. My name is Megan, Head of Marketing at MooGoo Skincare. Today we're going to address one of our most popular questions that we get asked about our MooGoo face range. Which moisturizer is best for me and why? Just like all of the products we make here at MooGoo, our moisturizers for face are all made with natural edible ingredients, which means you can eat them. We just don't recommend it because they don't taste that great and moisturizing your mouth can taste a bit funny. But they all follow our ingredient philosophy and they're all preserved with hops extract. So it's free of any parabens, any phenoxyethanol, and any other synthetic preservatives. So just like all of our products as well, we list all of our ingredients on the back of the label. So it's really important if you are allergic to anything to just have a quick look at for any products you're buying really. But we list all of the ingredients in the products, not just the fancy sounding ones. So I'm going to take you through our 5 face moisturizers, each targeted for a different skin concern. So first up, we have our anti-aging antioxidant cream. So just like the name implies, it's full of really potent antioxidants, and we try to use all of the ingredients in their effective amounts. What that means is we don't just put a drop of the fanciest, trendiest ingredient and chuck it on the front of the label. We actually want to have something in there that does what it says. So this cream has resveratrol and vitamin C to help prevent free radical damage and help take care of those fine lines and wrinkles. So next up, we have our Pigmentation Brightening Moisturizer. So this would be what we recommend for anyone who's concerned about sunspots or pigmentation issues. What this cream will do is going to naturally brighten your skin using 3 natural skin lightening ingredients. Often brightening products come with harsh bleaches that can irritate and damage the skin. So we did some research and we discovered 3 really natural ingredients that will help lighten pigmentation and dark spots over time. It will take about 6 weeks of consistent use to show some results, but I think you'll be happy at the end of 6 weeks. If your main concern is blemishes, we recommend our Blemish Cleansing Moisturizer. So this one will help prevent blemishes and from new breakouts from forming. So the most important thing with blemish-prone skin is you really don't want to strip it of its natural oils. Your skin produces oil naturally, so when you strip it away, your skin goes into overproduction of oil, which can cause your pores to be clogged, and that overproduction can lead to further breakouts. A lot of blemish-targeted moisturizers come with bleaches in them, and while they are effective, they can be very drying and irritating. So we kind of avoided all of that, and instead we included some potent antioxidants, one being green tea extract and resveratrol, and those are both very, very potent ingredients that are healthy for the skin, so you're not going to get that same irritation as you would if you used a bleach-based ingredient. So if hydration and dry skin is your main concern or issue that you deal with, we do recommend our natural SPF moisturizing day cream. So this does have sun protection in it. We use clear zinc in all of our sunscreen products to provide the sun protection. We like to avoid UV filters that are common in many commercial sunscreens. So that will give you the sun protection you're looking for, but it will also hydrate your skin. The base of this moisturizer is jojoba oil, which means it's really hydrating and nourishing to the skin. We also threw in some really cool ingredients into this one. So we included caffeine, which will help really wake up your skin, especially in the morning. And we've got niacinamide, which will help resist sun damage. I could go for coffee right now. And finally, for everyone who likes to take care of the skin at night, we created our night cream. It's called Beauty Sleep for a reason. So this cream pretty much has everything. We packed it with as many good things as we could. This cream is really good at boosting collagen and firming up the skin. So there's 2 key ingredients in here that I want to mention. We've got hyaluronic acid, which really holds moisture into the skin and plumps it up and keeps it moisturized. So we love that, especially overnight. And then we've got lactic acid. So this is what when you use this one, you might find a little bit of tingling sensation. So that ingredient really helps break down the bonds that hold dead skin to your face. I know it sounds a bit gross, but it's really like a enzymatic exfoliant. So when you wake up in the morning after using this, you'll be really fresh-faced and basically ready to face the world.